Jiangmen. We're in Wanda Plaza. I just kind of wanted to see what the mall looks like. I don't know if I can film very easily in the mall, but we're going to give it a try. I'll probably turn the camera on and off. I'll also put it up on the map, but there's a beautiful park right here. And the sun is going down, so we still have kind of like a purplish sky. So let's go in and check it out. You can even see a Starbucks right on the outside. Okay, Wanda Plaza. Let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Jiangmen. Oh yeah, Jiangmen, China. I love this kind of big city, actually. It's kind of small, but kind of big. Kind of not very well known, but also kind of well known among the Chinese. Anyways, it's up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then we're also going to be in this kind of certain area. So I'll just put like a bigger square around that area. And without further ado, let's just get into it. And you can join me as if you were there yourself with me. Let's do it. Okay, so that's Wanda Plaza. I was just kind of researching a little bit. There's actually I think they kind of invest in it. So there's a few of them around. And this is the biggest one. And it was made in, I think it's in 2014, something like that, 2015, 2014. I love the exterior. A lot of these malls in China really have beautiful exteriors. I love all the neon. And I don't know about security or not, so I think what I'm going to do is I'll just get a little bit closer and then I'll turn the camera off. And then we'll just pop it on when we get in there, when I feel like it's appropriate to capture different stuff. Anyways. Okay, let's check that out. Big, a lot of doors. So, I don't know if I'll be able to film. Usually in the malls, they don't really want you to just film just non-stop. But I can turn the camera on and off just like I can with the phone. So I'll probably do that a little bit. Just give you an idea. Oh, beautiful. It's got a big, looks like that probably lets in the sunlight. There's actually, looks like 3-4 stories high. There's a Pizza Hut over there as well. Looks like they kind of have a TV thing. Okay, so I am going to be careful with just keeping the camera rolling. So I'm going to just try to give you a little idea. There's actually a Uniqlo here. This kind of reminds me of the one in Domen. So Domen, Zhuhai has one as well. I'm gonna just give you an idea what it looks like here. There's a second story as well, but we can see at that one spot there's a few stories high. Looks like we can see it again here. Let's take a look here. Yep, so now you can see a few of them up there. Is it in Domen or Taishan? I forget now. I think I saw one that was kind of similar in Taishan and Domen and Jiangmen. They're all kind of not too far away from each other. Okay. I think that is a kind of a food court area up that way. I can tell by those signs up there. So okay. There'll be like kind of like a Hong Kong type thing. So let me just kind of see here. Looks like there's more stuff down that way. The bathrooms are that way. I think I'm going to turn it off for a little bit and then we'll try to find the food court area. I have a whole basketball thing. I think it's for kids. So kind of turning. More stuff for kids here too. So kind of cool. So they got kind of lots of stuff for kids. This is, I think, this might be in a triangle formation. So we'll just kind of keep on showing you. But there's a lot of different stuff. 3 layers high. There's even a supermarket over there. A lot of different stuff. And the Wanda Cinema way up at the top there. So you can see the cinema. Okay. Green party. Got a giant llama. Let's see, I'll try to capture that. Got a llama. Oh, amazing. Oh. Oh, amazing. Usually, amazing, I didn't expect that. Huh. So anyways, there's a llama up here on the second story. Anyways, we're gonna keep on exploring, but now we're up on the second story. So I just kind of took the stairs up, and then we're gonna try to venture off into a different area in a little bit. Thank you. So welcome to Jiangmen. Okay, so we're going to we're just gonna come up to this space right here, and then we'll try to capture. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay. So we're going by the basketball tournament again. But I'm gonna keep on moving. I wanna see what else I can see around here. So I don't know, I think that kind of went down to one direction and then we had to turn around. So I don't know if it's a diamond shape or a V shape. I guess we'll soon find out. Okay, so we're going to go up to the third level now, and then we can see from up here. And I think this is usually the kind of like the more restaurant level, which seems to be the case. So that seems like is restaurants. And it looks like there's a mix of different stuff. There's more restaurant stuff over there. I think somebody else just said welcome to China. People are really friendly. It's funny. Kind of a meat restaurant. I am kind of hungry. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna go a little bit further and just kind of see what else we have around here. There's another restaurant here called Wanda. Kind of funny. It's kind of some stuff that I might see in Macau. Okay. So there's actually a fourth floor up there too, and it seems like kind of more quiet down here. So we're going to go down to the second story, and I don't know. I'm going to try to figure out if it's a diamond shape or if it's a V shape. I think this is where we started at. So there's a Pizza Hut, so we started there. I'll see if I can go that way or not, or if it's actually like a V shape. That's kind of cool. Cool China references. Okay, so we are going to try to go down to another floor, another level, and just kind of see from down there. Oh, it's actually heart-shaped. So this whole stairwell is heart-shaped. So we came in over there, and I think that is going to be the end of it. So I think when we came in, it is a V shape, because there's a supermarket entrance that direction, and then so yeah, I guess it's kind of a V shape. I could be wrong. It's my first time here. So we're back outside again, and now you can see the skyline. So yeah, I think it goes like that and all the way down. Let's just kind of go across the street and take a look over there. That's kind of that skyline. Beautiful trees out here too, right? So I think that is how that is set up, like a V. Look how beautiful that is though. Okay, so we're gonna walk down a little bit on the corner and see if we can see like a V shape or a triangle shape. Okay, so from here I can tell that it's actually a triangle shape. So, and then that's a supermarket right there. So I guess this is a giant supermarket that takes up this side, and then that other side is the mall. I guess that's the only thing I can really surmise. And I don't really want to, I kind of need to explore and move on a little bit. Gotta try to get all the way back to Zhuhai before it gets too late. But yeah, so this whole side is also under this whole blue thing as well, and it looks like it says supermarket and also something called spa, and then there's also a little souffle thing right there. kind of curious. We're gonna check out what that is too. So the souffle, injury food, enjoy life. Then this one, it looks like there's like little shops that are not really connected to the mall. And there's also a KK club. I don't know what KK club is. And then I can see some other stuff over there too. Some other neon lights. So I don't know. And I don't know what KK club is either. So it looks like this wall is kind of more supermarket and maybe some mix of different stuff. KK. Let's go to the end and then we're gonna, oh yeah, that looks like something, maybe something for kids. Let's go to the end and take a look. KK Club, it looks like it's just like a little entertainment thing for kids and things. Billiards, shopping mall area. So it looks like it's billiards. So you can actually play pool here. KK Billiards. I think I heard about this as well. That you can actually like play with some of the girls that are available to play against. So yeah, I think you can actually play billiards with those girls. I think that's kind of a thing in China, so you can do that. So I guess they have that at the mall here too, so you can drop off your teenage boy or your college friends. I don't know, whatever. I think this looks like a little bit of a, oh, so you can actually get a drink right there. So I think it's Cheers, and it's kind of convenience store slash bar. And then this is another entrance into the Wanda. So it looks like Wanda is kind of a catch-all for all kinds of stuff. Shopping mall, billiards, I think it said KTV as well. So for kids, so here's another kid with a little outdoor swimming pool thing. There's other stuff on the other side of the street. Looks like it's also for kids as well. And then this is the entrance to Wanda Plaza, another one of the entrances. Let's go around the corner and then we're gonna end the film. Okay, so that's the entrance again. And then there's a way to drive into the mall. That looks like one of the streets. There's buildings all the way down that way. And then all those lights we saw on the other side, that looks like kind of a museum.
Just tell me when I'll go to Jiangmen.